Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, maximize active section with thread 1. Okay, let's write the code. First of all, original 1 equal 0. And count 0 equal 0. And zeros equal, this is array. And then for character in S, and then if character equal 1. So in that case, original 1 plus equal 1. And then if count 0 is not 0, so when we found 1, so contiguous 0 will go to array, so zeros dot append and count 0. And after that, reset count 0 like this. And if not 1, just count 0 plus equal 1. Easy, right? After that, if count 0 is not equal 0, so in that case, we should add current count 0 to 0 array dot append and count 0. So this case is like if we have 0 at the edge of string, so 0 count is not 0, right? So that's why we should add this number to 0 array. And after that, create a result variable and initialize with original 1. And then, so for I in range, so start from index 1 to length of zeros, and then result equal max of current result versus original 1 plus zeros current index plus zeros previous index, so I minus 1. And then just return result variable. Yeah, so let me submit it. Okay, from solution 1, we learned we calculate original 1 plus both sides of 0. I think a basic idea is same. So we count the original 1 and try to find a maximum 0 combination. And then in the end, we add original 1 plus a maximum 0. So let me write the code. Okay, first of all, original 1 equal s dot count and 1. And the max zeros equal 0. And prev equal minus infinity. So let me explain why we set minus infinity to prev. So prev is a previous contiguous 0. And n equal length of s and I equal 0. This is a current index number. And this time we use while loop. I is less than n, we continue. So we keep start index, so current index. And I use one more while loop while I is less than n and s I equal s start. So in that case, I plus equal 1 because same character continues, so that's why. And after that, if start character equal 0, and it's time to calculate. So current like a number of 0 should be I minus start. Oops. And then max zeros equal max and max zeros and prev plus current. The reason why I set minus infinity is that since the increase from a thread is always combined length of two adjacent 0 blocks, the first 0 block alone can never form a valid gain and does not need to be considered. So in the first step, this max zeros always win, so that we can avoid the most left zero block, right? And the next time we have zero blocks at both ends, so that's why we can calculate properly. And after that, so update prev equal current. And after that, return original 1 plus max zeros. I think that's it. So let me submit it.